Right. Can you hear me, guys, all of you? Can you hear me? All of you guys, let me know, please. All of you guys, let me know. Are able to hear me? Right. So today we will start Python installation, guys. Python installation. We will start now. Python installation. Okay. So here we have to download Python from website called python.org. Python.org. Right? What's the website name? Python.org. From there we have to download it. Download. Now I'm going to show you how to download Python software from a website called python.org. Okay. Now let me open the website. Right. You can observe, guys, here. You can observe now downloads option is there. Which option? Downloads option is there, and I can get a Python latest version from here. So this is what here 3.12.3. This is the Python latest version, guys. Python latest version 3.12.3. If I click here, then it downloads automatically. But observe here, one note is there. What is that note? Python 3.9 plus means 3.9 and 3.9 above, okay, cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. Yes, before Windows 7 and Windows 7, on that one we cannot use Python 3.9 and onwards, like latest versions. That means if you want to use latest versions of Python software, then we should use latest versions of Windows also. Okay, right. Suppose, sir, I don't want latest version, sir. I want some old version, some previous version. In that case, what can we do? Okay, you can observe here, view the full list of downloads, right? Okay, if you click here, then you can move down. We can move down here. Yes, all of you observe here. We can observe now all the versions. And you can see download option is there. And these are which one the release date, guys. Release date means on which day they are released. Okay, but right now let's go with the latest version only. I'm going to click here. If I click, it downloads automatically. Downloads automatically. Yes, you can observe the guys here. Right, now downloading over. And what is the size of the software? 25.5 MB. Means very small software. It's very small software compared to lot of other softwares. I hope WhatsApp also is bigger than this Python, guys. WhatsApp size also bigger than this Python size. Now, what is over here? Downloading over. This is software downloaded in the downloads folder, right? Let's go to downloads folder. Downloads folder. That you can see now. You can see, guys. Okay. You can observe here. It is downloaded here. Downloaded here, and you can see. Okay, the date also, guys. See the date also. Just now it is downloaded. Now one step over, right? What is that over here? Downloading over, guys. Downloading over. The next one is, this is what here step one, right? That is download, guys. What next step? Install. Okay, the next step is install. install, download, install. So now already the software downloaded into which folder? Downloads folder, right? The it is available where? In the downloads folder. In the downloads folder. Now go to downloads folder. From there we start which one? Installation. We start installation. Okay. Now observe here. I open the downloads folder. Downloads folder. Now if I click, if I double click, then it starts installation, guys. Now double click here. Double click. Right. See, it's saying that modify setup. This is called setup file, guys. Setup file, and it's saying that modify setup. Modify setup. Actually, I don't want to modify. I am going to install now. I am going to install. So here it's showing the modify means, that means already in my laptop this Python software is available. So it's asking me modify. Okay, very simple point. Suppose let's take in mobile phone. Just now I bought a new mobile. Okay, and already I installed the WhatsApp also. Okay, the WhatsApp is there in the mobile phone. Now again I am going to Play Store and I type there WhatsApp. If I click enter, at that time does it display installer or updater? All of let me know, guys. All of let me know. In mobile already WhatsApp is there. Already WhatsApp is there. WhatsApp installed, already installed. Again going to Play Store. And type WhatsApp. Type WhatsApp. Type WhatsApp. At that time, does it display install option or else update option? Tell me now. All of you. In mobile phone, already WhatsApp is installed. WhatsApp is there. Now I'm going to Play Store again and type WhatsApp. In that case, does it display install option or update option, guys? All of you guys, please give a play. Please give a play. What does it show? What does it show now? Install or else update. All of you, please give a play, guys. Please give a play. What does it show here? We have chat box, right? Please, guys, use chat box. We have chat box. Please use the chat box, guys. Monica, updates are okay. Update Joshi, update, right? So why it's showing update? Why it's showing update? Because already installed, right? Already installed. Okay. Now the new case is next case is now I am unstalling. Okay, I am unstalling now WhatsApp. Unstalling now WhatsApp. Now again go to Play Store. Again now go to Play Store. Then type what here? WhatsApp. Type WhatsApp. Now what displays? Now tell me. Now displays install or update. All of you guys. Now I installed WhatsApp. Uninstalled WhatsApp. Again going to Play Store and type WhatsApp. Then what does it show here? What does it show? Install or update? All of you guys, please give a play. Joshi, it shows what here? Install. Okay. Now the same story here also. The same story, guys. What story means? In my laptop already Python installed. Now I'm downloading Python over. If I try to install, it's asking me upgrade, right? Upgrade, guys. Now what do? I uninstall my Python. I will uninstall Python. Then I'll try to install again now. I'll try to install. All of you are clear now? Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to uninstall now. I'm going to uninstall. How to uninstall, sir? Let's take the control panel. Let's go to control panel. Uninstall a program. Okay. Right. You can see here Python. Yes, guys. Python is there. Python, right? Now, just double click on Python, guys. Just double click. Okay, double click here, guys. Double click. If I double click, automatically it uninstalls. Or else, right click here and then click uninstall. Click uninstall. Uninstall. Okay. Now we have a doubt. Sir, daily we have a lot of classes and you're using the same Python only. Now, if you uninstall, what about your previous files are? What about your programs are? What about your data are? The data also will delete or not, sir? All of you, is it right? We have a question. We have a question here because in the day, full day, I have Python classes. If I install this Python, what about the previous files? What about the previous programs, the previous data? That will be also uninstalled or the data will be there, no problem, right? Nothing happens to my data, guys. All files are safe. All files are safe. Only just the the version deleted, that's all. The software deletes, but our files will be there. Our files will be there. Okay, so don't worry, guys, right? Now I'm going to which one, uninstall. Now just it is uninstalling. If you want to see that one, just guys, I'm going to here, and I show you now that one. Okay, I'm using now 3.12, right? 3.12. This is 3.11, 3.12. See, these files will go, guys. These are some default folders are there. Some default folders are there. The default folders will go. Default folders, default files will go. Just observe, guys. Observe. These folders will go now. DDL, DLL, doc, include, lib, libs, scripts. These are all default folders. And these are also default files. Up to here also default files. But below you can see, right, these are my files. These all are my files. My files are safe, guys. Nothing happens to my files. These all some text files are there, some Python files are there. Nothing happens to my files. Only the default folders and default files will delete it. That's all. Just observe, guys. Just observe. Right. Right. Now observe, guys, here some folders are still there and the default folders deleted, guys. Even though include lib, scripts, these are default folders only, but they're not deleted. Why? They're not depending on the specific version. Okay. And these all are my files, guys. See, if you observe before, some files are there here. Some files are there, right? Those also deleted. These all are my files, guys. These all are my projects and my files, Python files. Nothing happened, right? Now, if I install, again all folders will come. Again all required default folders, default files will come. Okay. Now what is over? Uninstalling over, right? Uninstalling over. Now just close this one, and okay. And I'm going to again open here. I'm going to open this one. Just guys observe. Go to downloads folder. Okay. Downloads folder. Just to double click, all of observe. If I double click, now option will change. Yes, all of can observe. Now what is the option now? Previously what was there? Upgrade is there, but now install option is there. Install option is there. All of you can observe here, right? What is there now? Install option is there. And here there are two options, guys. You can observe there are two arrow marks are there. One is install now. Second one, customize installation. Install now, customize installation. Okay. Now, which one we have to choose, sir? Which one we have to choose? Install now, customize installation now. Right. All of you observe some difference is there here. Some difference is there. So what's first option? Install now. The second option is what here? Customize installation. Only two options we have. So if you choose the first option, then the Python installs in this default path automatically. Means it sets the default path or for Python. When you choose the first option, it gives a default path. In this path, this is the folder name. In this folder or Python will install, guys. So users some computer name and app data, local programs, Python. In that also, this is the folder name. In that folder, again, that file will install, that software install, guys. So default path. Sir, I don't want default path, sir. Very lengthy path is there. It seems very lengthy path, sir. Just I want just a D drive. I want just C drive only. I don't want lengthy path, sir. Then we go for what here? Second option. What is there here? Choose a location. Choose a location, guys. But better to go with always which one, guys? Default path is always better. You can choose the which one, this one also. But see, if you want to work with Python, Python with the modules, guys. Python with the modules later, because Python very powerful because of what, modules only. Okay, when you work with the modules at that time, if it is default path, then it's better, guys. Sir, I don't want modules, sir. I want only Python coding only Python programs only, sir. Then anyone, no problem. You can choose the new path also, guys. Okay. So which is suggestible means always better having which one, the default path always better, guys. Plus and extra advantage is just observe here. It includes ideally pip documentation. These three bonus will come when you go with the first option. Which option? Install now, guys. Ideally pip and the documentation. What is ideally? What is pip? What is documentation? Okay, right. Let's see now. Just I'm going to here. IDLE, then pip, then documentation, guys. Three parts are there. IDLE, pip, documentation. IDLE stands for integrated development and learning environment. Integrated development and learning environment. That is what here IDLE. Sir, what is this one, sir? You are saying full form, okay, but what is this? What is this? Right. So this is a Python file, guys. This is a file. It's a file. That file is used to develop the projects and to learn programs also. All of you. It's a file. Ideally, is a file or a shell. It's a file or a shell which is used for developing the Python projects and for learning the Python programs. For development purpose, learning purpose. For both purpose, we use that file. And that is a default file. Ideally is the default file to implement the Python programs or Python projects. That's why integrated means a combination of integration, differentiation, right? Integrated of which one? Development and the learning. Both are there. Both can be done in ideally. It's a file, right? It's a file. Okay. So for development purpose we use and learning purpose also we use. Next, pip. Pip stands for pip, guys, and so many full forms are there. Okay, one of those is Python package installer. Actually, PIP, but full form is a pip, Python package installer. And why it is used, sir? Why it is used? All of you, right? See, Python is very powerful, right? Okay, Python is very powerful, Why? What is the reason? Because of Python is very rich in modules, guys. Python is rich in the modules. Rich means what? More number of modules are there. Python supports more number of modules. How to get the modules? By using pip, guys. In that also there are different types of modules are there. First one, system defined modules are there. Okay. Then second one, user defined modules are there. And the third one is system third party modules, guys. The third one is third party modules. Okay. So third party modules. So see here, system defined modules, user defined modules, third party modules. System defined means they come along with the software. The models will come along with the software. User defined means as a user we can define the a new modules as per our requirement. As per our requirement. Then third party modules means the modules that they don't come with the software, and as a user we don't create them. Some third party companies implemented and made available to the developers, so that as a developer I can install and use it. Install and use it as per requirement. Suppose my requirement is the suppose data analysis by using Python, guys. I want to do data analysis by using Python. Then Python has some modules like a pandas module, okay, or numpy module, or matplotlib mod like that. So these all are third-party modules that are used for what here? Data analysis. Data analysis. Next one, for example, I want to create a web application by using Python. By using Python. Here also again some modules are there like Django. Django is there. Flask is like that. Multiple modules are there, right? Like that for every requirement. Python supports modules. That's why Python is very powerful, very powerful, and also it is called rich in the modules. And these all are third-party modules. Then how to get the modules? Means they are not available in our laptop by default. They are available or so they are not available. We have to install those. We have to install. That's why at that time we use what here? Pip we use. How to install me? Simple. Just open the command prompt, Windows command prompt. This is belongs to what here? Windows, right? And simply you can type pip install then pandas. That's all. Pip install pandas. Whatever it is, pip install numpy or numpy, or pip install Django, or pip install flask like that, right? So that automatically this module installs in our machine, guys. All of you, okay, right? So this is the way how to install the modules by using what here? Pip, okay. Let me know. So it is used why to install Python modules. Python modules, right? Python modules. So two things over. Ideally is over, and then pip is over. The third one is what here? Documentation. Documentation means okay, a default nodes will come, guys. Default nodes will come along with what here? Along with the software. Along with the software means some default documentation will come for every concept, for everything in Python. There is a default documentation, guys. Happily we can read the documentation in Python only. Okay, so these three are bonus. These three are bonus when you choose the first option. When you choose the first option. All of you, let me open this one. Yes, first option. Ideally is the default file to make the Python programs, but still it supports n number of editors. N number of editors to make the programs like Atom or PyCharm, VS Visual Studio Code or Jupyter Notebook. Or you can simply Notepad also enough. In the Notepad also, observe now. In the Notepad also we can make the Python programs. But save the file with a .py the extension. Save the file with what here? With the .py extension. .py extension, guys. .py you have to use. Write the program anywhere write the program, but the file we have to save with what? .py. That means it's a Python file. It saves in the Python file format only. You can use this Notepad or Edit Plus, Notepad plus. These are all the simple things, right? Okay, so we should do what here? We should use the dot py. Right. Now, all of let me know guys are clear now about which one ideally pip and documentation. Documentation, all of you, let me know. All of you guys, let me know. Are you clear this one now? All of you guys, all of you guys, let me know. So here now we'll choose the first option only. Very good. And you can see the last option is there, guys. You can see one more last option is there. It's also required. It's also required. We have to click the checkbox. Click the checkbox. Lot of people, lot of students, while installing, they forget this option, and they install. They install. If you forget this one, you can install, no problem. It installs. We can open it. We can work it. Read the Python programs. All very good, no problem. But later, when we install Python modules, at this time it will give error. All of you see, without check the this checkbox, without giving this link. Okay, if you run this one, it will show error. It will throw error here. Why, sir? Why errors? Very simple reason, guys. Very simple reason. All of you guys, just concentrate here. Just concentrate here. The question is, what is the use of okay, this option? Add Python to path. Add Python to path. What is use of this one? Right. All of you observe here, guys. All of you observe. See, this is Python, right? This is my Python, guys. And here this one, this command prompt belongs to or Python, or else it is Windows application. All of it, let me know. This command prompt, it is because it belongs to our Python, or else it is Windows application. All of you, let me know. This command prompt came when I install OS, or else when I install Python. All of you, let me know, guys. Let me know, everybody. This command prompt came when I install Windows OS, or else when I install Python software. Abhishek, Windows sir. Okay. All of you guys, please give reply. Everyone, please give reply. Vijay Kumar, right? Vaishal Rajput, Windows. Muhammad Riyaz, Windows. Joshi, Windows. Yes. Okay, are clear now? So this belongs to what? Windows, not the Python. No relation between Windows and Python right now. All of it. No relation between this command prompt or Python. Python separate, Windows separate. Okay. But now, how I can use pip install pandas? Let me know. How can I use pip belongs to what? Python, right? The pip belongs to what? Python. How can I use here? This is Windows software, but I'm using the Python here. How it's possible? How it is possible? Because this is not a Windows command, right? All of you. This pip is not Windows command. Then how it supports? How it supports? Which one? This command prompt to install our pandas. All of you got my question, right? My question is, this command prompt belongs to Windows. Then how it supports using pip here? Pip is not a Windows command, right? Pip is what belongs to Python. It's a Python tool or Python module. How it supports here? That's why we had to give the connection. We had to give the connection Python to Windows. Python to Windows. See path, which path? This path, guys. This path, all of you. So add Python to path. That means, see what is there? Add Python to path means my Python I am adding to what here? Adding to this path means I am adding to Windows, so that now I can use very happily. Now link is given. This Python to path. To give the link, we have to click the checkbox. Now between Python to Windows link is given, so that you can happily install all Python modules here, because link is given. If you don't give the link, if you don't give the connection, means if you don't click the checkbox here, then compulsorily it will throw error. What is the error? Okay, pip is not internal or external command. Like that error will come. All of you, all of you guys, let me know. That's why compulsorily, guys, when you install this Python software, we have to click the checkbox. Suppose I have a question. Sir, imagine I forgot it. I forgot it. I clicked here install now. Then any problem? Or later you can edit? Yes, we can do it, guys. No problem. If you forget also now, no issues. Later we can do it. We can edit it, no problem. Okay. But in my case, what I'm doing now, just I'm going to click the checkbox so that the I'm going to add Python to what here, Python to this Windows path I'm adding. That's all. So that I can use Python commands here. Now all of let me know, guys, are you clear now? Why it is used? Why it is used, guys? We have to check this one. All of you, let me know, guys. All of you guys, let me know. Are you clear now? So why we have to give the checkbox here? Because to provide the link between Python to Windows so that we can use the Python commands on the Windows also. Windows also. All of you guys, please give reply. Suppose someone asking, sir, if you forget here, then how to give this connection, sir? Yes, I'll show you, guys. I'll show you. Okay, don't worry. I'm giving now, but I show you. I show you once installation over. Now I'm going to click what here? Install now, guys. Install now. Only one option, one step only. There are no multiple steps. Only one step. Click the install now. That's all, guys. Enough. And you can observe here whatever the files folders deleted previously, that all will come, guys. Now observe. All of right now 45 items, right? How many are there here? 45. All of observe here. How many are there? 45 items, right? 45 items are there right now in this folder. Now observe here. The new files and folders will add. Yes, 46. See, guys, all of right, it's all coming now. All coming. These files which are deleted, other coming, guys. All of you. Okay. Now check once. Right. So what is over now? Setup was successful, guys. Okay. Now close this. Now someone asked, sir, if you forget how to add, sir. If you forget that which one connection, then how to add? Yes, very simple, guys. Very simple. So multiple ways are there. Multiple ways are there. Just I'm going to show two ways, guys. Okay. How to add Python, right? All of you observe. What's question now? So how to add Python to path. Okay. Already the checkbox is there. If you forget that one, then how to add manually? How to add manually? Right. Let's see the first way. So first, this is what, guys, here Python folder, right? This is Python folder. Copy this path, all of you. Copy this path and just paste here. Semicolon, semicolon, and again open the scripts folder. Open the scripts folder and again copy this path also. Why? The scripts only what is there? Pip is there, right? The pip will come by default, guys. When you install the Python initially, these all files will not there. Only you get the pip, three files only, guys. These all files I installed previously, the files are there as it is. But for you, for first time if you install, only pip will be there. Pip, these three files. This also I am copying now. This path also I am copying and just continue here, paste, that's all. All of right. This is the first Python path is there. Then pip path is there. Pip path is two paths are there. Okay. Now keep aside. So type here environment variable, guys. Environment variable. Okay, and you can see environment variables here. Then you can see path. Path is there, right? By default, path is there, guys. By default, path will be there, and in that path, okay, already some links will be there. Some links will be there. Suppose imagine now, sir, path is not there, sir. In my laptop, under user variables, path, that path variable not there, sir. Then click the new, give the path here, give the path here, and that link whatever pasted there, that copy, this one copy from here, and just paste here, that's all, and click OK. When if path is not there, if path is not there by default, click the new, then give the path variable name and give the value, that link, copy and paste that link. Okay, this is what here Python link, and this is what scripts folder link. Okay, enough, guys. Suppose, sir, already path is there, sir, already path name is there. Click the edit, and take the new, and here that link paste here, that link we paste, enough, guys, and click OK. Click OK. See, in my laptop already, just now I click the checkbox, right? That's why that path came automatically, guys. Here, see, Python path, scripts path, both paths came here. Why? I clicked checkbox, right? That's why these two paths are there. If I don't click checkbox there before installing, then these two paths will not be there. I have to add manually. I click the checkbox there. That's why these two came automatically, guys. These two came automatically. Again, don't add. I'm not adding this one. Delete this one. That's all. All of you clear this one now. Python path came. This is what scripts means pip, guys. In scripts folder, what is there? See now. In scripts folder by default, what is there? Pip only. So scripts means a pip folder, right? Pip file is there. Okay. So two paths are coming automatically because I click checkbox before installing that. Otherwise, I should give the new one and add the path. This is the one way, guys. This is the one way. The another way is all of you observe. The second way is just open the control panel, uninstall a program, and go to Python. Don't double click by default, guys. Okay, by mistake, don't double click. Right click here, choose the change option. If you double click, automatically it selects the uninstall option. It selects the uninstall. So click what here, change here, change, right? Okay, what I want now, I want to add, right? I want to add path. That's why I click the modify option. What is my requirement? Adding path, right? Adding path. So click what here, modify. Click the modify. So two things, right? Two things there. Which path? Python path, right? Python path and pip path as well. Two paths, right? All of you. Python path and Python folder path and scripts folder. In scripts folder, what is there? Pip, right? Pip is there. So two settings we have to do it. First, what is there here? Pip is there. So it may be unchecked by default. Click the checkbox, guys, here. If you don't select there before installing, it may be unselected like this. Now select it. Now pip over. Next, go to next one, and here what is there again? Python. Okay, Python is there. Then this also click the checkbox, guys. These two options again. These two, okay. These two. Then install. So that previously here pip adding. Next Python adding, right? Python folder adding. Then install. That's all, guys. That's all. So these are the two ways to add Python to path, guys. Now all of you let me know. Guys. Are you clear this one now? All of you. So it's all about one installation, guys. Installation, and here observe now. All of you observe. So ideally, first one. What is ideally? I'm opening, guys. IDLE, okay. IDLE, right? And you can observe here. So in my laptop, I have Python 3.11, 3.12. Both are there. I'm opening 3.12, guys. Okay. Okay, right. So here I can make the programs, guys. This is a Python shell. We can make the programs or open the file. In this file, you can make the programs, guys. This ideal is the default editor to make the programs. Okay, right. This is the ideally, okay. It is ideally, guys. And daily we use ideally only for a few days to make the programs. Keep aside. Second, pip is the right. Pip is there. Let me try open the command prompt. Command prompt. I try to install on module, guys. Let me check pip install. Suppose take here request, guys. Request module is there. See, I'm trying to install request module, guys. It's saying that already it is satisfied. Means already in my laptop it is there. It is there already. Hello, okay. Let me try some more. One more module is there. Something name BEAUTIFUL beautiful soap. SOAP na beautiful soap. All of you spellings correct. Beautiful soap. Because already so many modules are there, guys. If I try any module, so many are there in my laptop, because really I'm using this one, right? Okay, if I take the Django is there, right? Okay, if I take the pandas is there, right? Pandas is there. Okay, and let me try maybe that notebook. uh, I think Jupyter, guys. Right. Now all of you can observe now, guys. Here can observe all of you. I clicked the Jupyter. Now it's collecting. It's installing, guys. Okay, installing. All of you observe now. It's installing. All of you observe, right? Installing. It's a lengthy one, guys. Jupyter is very big one now. See, these are all submodules, guys. These all are submodules in Jupyter. So all of you guys, my request is, okay, if you like these classes, guys, please subscribe to our channel. And also these are the free classes, right? So please share to your friends also, guys, and ask your friends also to listen the classes. But please, my request is subscribe our channel and like the video, guys, all of you. So almost it's taken 30 minutes, 35 minutes, guys. It taken almost 40 minutes, I think, installation, right? Okay. Right. Now all of you observe. Now what is over now? Installing over, right? Means we have seen how to use the pip also. Okay. How to use the pip also. Right. Then third one is the documentation, sir. Documentation, very simple. First open the IDLE, okay. Then to get the documentation, guys, simply we use help of, okay. Then we use suppose keywords, guys. Suppose keywords, all of you. Keywords, then all keywords will come, guys. Okay, all keywords will come. That's all. Very simple, right? Suppose generally, if you don't know keywords, what we do? Go to Google. Okay, we can read from Google, right? But no, Python giving the documentation also. Sir, here I don't know about the class, sir. I want to know about the class. Or I want to know about the from. Or I want to know anything here. Again, help of. I am giving suppose pass. Here pass keyword is there, right? In Python, pass keyword is there. Yes, you can see now. About the pass keyword, you can see it's giving the title, some decoration also giving, and syntax giving, some definition and uses, when do we use, where do we use, like that, all information giving, guys. All of you. Okay. Right. So it gives a lot of data about a specific whatever you want, guys, right? Let me suppose help of let's take, I want to know about the def also Python keyword is there, right? Def also Python keyword is there. Now click this one. Yes, you can see all of it is giving the content in 156 lines, guys. How many lines? 156 lines. 156 lines. If you want to see the lines, double click here, or single click, no, double click only. Then you can see the definition and decoration also is given, some underline, and this is the definition, this is syntax, and use cases. Lot of things will be there, guys. Lot of things will be there. Actually, that much not required as a developer, guys. Okay, this much not required to get a job or to get knowledge also. Unless a lot of things will be there here. Okay, right. So this is the way how to get the documentation, guys. Narendra, are you clear now? You asked me, sir, where to get the notes, right? Right. So all of you in the previous class, first 5 minutes, audio not okay, not there, right? About the keywords, all of you. Okay. So all of you guys, keywords concept not there, right? Keywords concept not there. So means previous video, the concept is explained, but that audio are not recorded, guys. Okay, some problem, not recorded, right? Just I repeat, guys. Just in 2 minutes, I repeat. Just be patient and listen, guys. All of tell me now, what is a keyword, guys? All of you, what is a keyword? Anyone, guys? Anyone? Yesterday who understood the concept, let me know. What is a keyword? What is a keyword, guys? All of you. All of you guys, please get reply. What is a keyword? Keyword is a reserved word, guys. Reserved word. Reserved word means, suppose, guys, we want to go to a hotel. What do? We book that table, right? We book that table. If you book that table, then the table allocated for us for that specific time. At that time, nobody can use that one. Or I want to go to hometown, we book a ticket, book a seat. That means that seat allocated for us. Nobody can come and occupy that one for that journey. Right? That means a word which is reserved by some default meaning is called a keyword, guys. A word which is reserved by some default meaning, that is called a keyword. That is called a keyword, guys. Okay. So here, and to get the, suppose in English, guys, let's take in English, in every language, keywords are there. Take the English, Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Tamil, in spoken languages, in programming languages, in every language, keywords are there, guys. And here, for simple point, guys, some people say that some language very easy, some language difficult language like that. I am talking about the programming languages. Okay, so how to decide which is easy to learn, which is difficult to learn means based on the number of keywords also, guys. If more keywords are there, it is not easy. It takes a little bit more time to learn. It is a little bit difficult to learn. If less keywords are there, it's easy to learn. It takes less time to learn, guys. The best example, for example, Python, Java, guys. In Python, there are 35 keywords as per this version. But in Java, I hope more keywords are there, guys. Above like 60, 70, above like that keywords are there. Means which is double than this Python keywords, guys. Double than this Python keyword. That's why learning Python very easy compared to other languages. Okay, not English, guys. Sorry, it's about Python. In Python, 35 keywords, not English. Okay, sorry. So suppose in English, let's take one word, guys, all of you. Let's take, suppose head is there, right? Head, guys. H-E-A-D, head. It is a keyword in English, guys. Why? It has a default meaning. It has a fixed meaning in English, so it's an English keyword. Take suppose I. I also has a default meaning. You cannot change the meaning of I now. All of you can change the meaning of I. Can you change the meaning of EYI? No, we cannot change. Why? It has a fixed meaning. It is English keyword. Cannot change. I take one more. Let's take any word. Suppose leg is there, or suppose let's take listen. Listen, right? It's also an English keyword. It's also English keyword. It has a specific meaning. We cannot change. But take the one more word, guys. Something A, B, C, D like this. So, is it English keyword, all of you? Let me know. Is it English keyword? All of you guys, all of let me know. Maybe they are English letters only, but it's not an English keyword because there's no specific meaning for that word. No meaning for that word. That's why not English keyword. Okay. The same case in every language, guys. Let's take Python also. Python also some keywords are there. In Python also some keywords. For example, def is there. Def. Def is a Python keyword. Why def? To define the Python functions. To define the Python functions. Okay, next for is there. For also Python keyword. Why for? To read the for loops, iterations. Take the while also keyword, Python keyword. Why? To read the while loop. Like that, lot of keywords are there. But in Python, I'm writing always write a program like this. Write a program. So here in Python, write is a keyword? No. Program is a keyword? No. Right? So they're not Python keywords, guys. They're not Python keywords. It's Python keyword like def for while, like so many are there. All of you. Okay. So we cannot change these meanings, guys. We cannot change these meanings. Why? They have a specific meaning already. They have a specific functionality already. That's why all keywords are reserved by a specific meaning already. Okay, all of you guys, right? So like that in Python, how many keywords are there? You can observe now. How many keywords are there here? There are 35 keywords, guys. 35 keywords in a simple way. So here how many are there? Observe now. So a 4, 4, 1, right? 9, 9, right? 9. And how many rows are there here? How many rows are there? 8 rows. 4 rows, right? Okay. So 4 rows, guys, right? So 4 into 9, how much? 36, right? 36. But here one keyword is not there. Okay, that's why how many? 35 only. How many? 35 keywords, guys. 35 keywords in Python. And recently in one interview, guys, they asked, tell me some keywords. What you remember? Tell me some keywords. And someone asked, in Python, what keywords starts with capital letter? What keyword starts with the capital letter? Like only false, none true. This only starts with capital letter, guys. Remaining all small letters only. Remaining all small only, guys. And you may ask me, sir, we don't know what is false, what is class, what is from, what is global, sir. Please explain one by one. You may ask me, guys, now. You may ask me, but remember, guys, if you try to learn all keywords in 1 hour class, that means you are trying to learn entire Python in 1 hour class, which is not possible as a beginner. As a beginner, it's not possible to learn all keywords in 1 hour class, in a 1 day class, in a 1 week class. Not possible. Why? Because they belongs to a separate topic, sir. Suppose the class is there. Class is what? Oops concept, guys. Or from is there. Import. They belongs to what? Modules concept. Right? You can see for loop is there, right? For and while they belongs to loops concept, guys. And if condition, if okay, else if they belongs to conditional statements. Okay, and try, and you can see all of right. So try is there and rise. Okay, rise is there. Except is there. They belongs to what? Like exception handling, guys. Exception handling and lambda functions and membership operations in and not in also in again not combination also not in which one membership operations global variables non-local variables lambda expressions okay, this all belongs to different topics, guys. That's why our main goal is by end of Python we should cover all the keywords, we should know all the keywords. That's the main goal of this Python, guys. By end of our Python we should know every keyword, all of you. When I say yes, Python is over, at that time we recover one by one keyword. Okay, what is covered, what is not covered, at that time we see, guys. Okay, right. So it's about keywords, guys, all of you. Okay, about keywords. Okay, and today we discussed mainly which concept, guys? Installation, which is very very important. Which is very very important. All of you are clear, guys, now. Right. So guys, my request from the request from my side is all of you guys. Okay. Please don't stop the classes. First point, all of you. Please don't stop the classes, guys. Don't stop the classes. Means don't absent for the classes. Generally, people ask me, sir, don't stop the classes, sir. But I'm asking you, don't stop the classes, sir. Means don't take the break, guys. Don't take the break. Every day, please come to the class. You understand it very well. All of you, okay? Right. And here just I'm explaining the concepts, right, and I'll send you the PDF file, guys. I'll send you the documentation. I have the documentation for every concept. Suppose this, see this is one concept documentation, guys. This is another concept documentation, like this documentation is there. I'll send documentation, guys. Okay, all of you, I give the documentation also concept wise, right, all of you. So documents will be shared with you, will be shared, guys. While class is going on, just concentrate the listening purpose, guys. Don't try to make the notes. Just concentrate to understand the concept. Some people, what they do, they try to make the notes while class is going on. At that time, you can't listen my voice. You can't understand the concept. That's why my point is, so when explaining, concentrate understanding purpose only. After class over, I share the document, guys. The same document I share you, not the old documents. Okay, don't worry. I love you. Then third one is as a free classes, right? These are free classes, Okay. Please inform to your friends also, guys. Inform to your friends also. Your friends also, guys. Please, it's my request. It's a free classes, right? As free classes, please inform to your friends also so that they can also join, guys. And they also learn the Python. Because guys, then I don't take free classes, I take rarely free classes, guys. That also at only core. It's both core advanced parts. And some people asked me, sir, please take modules also. Yes, I'll take modules also, guys. Not a problem for me. I will take compulsorily. At the end of the class, take the modules also. Okay. That's why please use this opportunity to listen to all classes and gain more knowledge, guys. Gain more knowledge. Okay. And then here, right. And one more, guys, here, please subscribe, guys. All of you, please subscribe our channel, guys. Okay, subscribe and like video, guys, so that and also you can always give the reply, guys. Main part is the give reply when I ask the question. Please give reply. Please give reply, guys. That's most important, so that I understand whether you're following me or not. Don't be silent. Even though I understand very well, I know. I asked just basic questions only. You understand very well, I know. But still, if you give reply, then I understood. I will understand. Okay, you're following me or not following me, like that. All of you. Right, guys. Okay, we'll stop it now. All of you. We'll stop it now. And yes, tomorrow we'll go with some basics, guys. And tomorrow onwards, we use that ideally to make the basic programs are one by one. Okay. Right. So thank you all of you, guys. So I hope, guys, you like the classes, right? All of you. I hope you like the classes. Please give reply, guys, all of you. All of you, guys, please give reply. I hope, guys, you like the classes. That's why I'm requesting you, don't stop the classes. Daily attend the classes. Okay. And every day I will share the document compulsorily, guys. Without attending the classes, if I give the document also, no use. Attend the classes and follow the documents, very useful. Without coming to class, if you take document also, no use, because no understanding, right? All of you, guys. Right. Someone asking me, sir, tomorrow's YouTuber. Yes, every day, guys. Every day YouTube only. Okay. Muhammad Riaz. Tomorrow, every day YouTube only, guys. Okay, because some people getting problem in the Zoom. Daily you take the YouTube only. Okay. Because we all know very well how to use the YouTube, right? Right. So fine, guys. We'll start it now. Vaishal Rajput. I understood all the concepts, sir. Thank you so much for the free classes. You're welcome, Vaishali. Right, thank you a lot, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.